Many users have reported issues with their iPhones not connecting to Macs, despite the iPhone working with other computers and the cable and Mac's USB ports functioning fine. This video explores possible reasons for the issue and provides practical solutions to fix it. Part 1. Why won't my iPhone connect to my Mac? iPhones may fail to connect to Macs due to various reasons, such as a faulty USB cable, malfunctioning USB port, iTunes issues, outdated macOS, or not granting trust permissions on the iPhone. Other software or hardware problems can also be the cause. Part 2. How to fix iPhone not connecting to Mac. Here are 8 proven solutions for fixing an iPhone that won't connect to a Mac. Try them one by one until the issue is resolved. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone and Mac. Restart both your iPhone and Mac to see if the connection issue persists. If not, try unplugging and reconnecting the iPhone to the Mac using the USB cable 2 or 3 times. This simple solution often works. Solution 2. Check the USB cable and ports. When troubleshooting an iPhone that won't connect to a PC or Mac, start by using a different, original Apple Lightning cable and trying different ports. Third-party cables may cause compatibility issues. If the iPhone was recently dropped in water, let it dry in a sunny or dry spot to prevent further damage. Solution 3. Trust this computer. When connecting an iPhone to a Mac, a prompt will appear asking if you trust the computer. You must tap Trust to grant permission for the connection and access to iPhone data. If you tap Don't Trust, the connection will fail. Solution 4. Update macOS. If you're using the latest iOS on your iPhone and your Mac has an older macOS version, update macOS for compatibility. To update, click the Apple icon, System Preferences, Software Update, tap Update Now. If you can't access Software Update, you can update macOS through the App Store. Click Launchpad App Store, search for macOS, select the latest version, tap Download and wait for installation to complete. Note, if you decide to update the macOS version, you'd better back up all your Mac's data beforehand, or you may lose some important data after update. Solution 5. Update your iOS system. Outdated software can often be the cause of connection issues between your iPhone and computer. To ensure your iPhone is running the latest software, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General and select Software Update. 2. Tap Download and Install to check if any updates are available. Solution 6. Update or reinstall iTunes version. If iTunes is causing your iPhone not to connect to Mac, try updating or reinstalling it. To update iTunes, click iTunes on the menu bar, check for updates, tap Update if available. Make sure to disconnect your iPhone before updating. If iTunes is up to date but still can't detect your iPhone, reinstall it. Open Finder Applications, right-click iTunes, select Get Info, adjust permissions, drag iTunes to trash, reinstall from the Apple website. This should improve connection success. Note, if your iPhone runs iOS 9, it will only sync with iTunes v1 2.3. However, iTunes v1 2.3 can only be installable on macOS X 10.8 or later. Solution 7. Reset all settings. If the solutions above don't fix the problem, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will help resolve any corrupted files or configurations causing the issue, and it won't result in any data loss. 1. Go to Settings, General, tap Transfer and reset iPhone. 2. Tap Reset all settings and enter your passcode to confirm. Solution 8. Try an alternative Mac. If you have tried the above fixes but iPhone not connecting to Mac problem exists, you can try to connect your iPhone to another working Mac if you have one. Still, if your iPhone won't connect to Mac on another machine, you can contact Apple support for professional help.